only daughter here. Have you ever wondered to yourself, how does the world really see me? Or maybe even, if Facebook told the story of my life, what story would it tell? Well, it's your lucky Father's Day, Dad, because I'm a qualitative, multimodal researcher, and today we're going to dig deep into what Facebook would say if Facebook were only Mom's photo posts about the true character of Keith Eugene Hoover. It's the whole truth and nothing but the truth, folks. Plus, it's a photo slideshow with music, so pretty much the best Father's Day ever, right? Identity exploration plus delight. Funny, Justin. Okay, let's get started. 10 themes, nearly 50 images, 100% my dad.
Came to help her with the video that you just saw. And we did leave out a few themes, like 1, the great outdoors, the beautiful landscapes, 2, food, 3, grandma, every time and all the time, and most importantly, of course, 4, sweatbands.
Sorry, we didn't get to all those, but they were themes that emerged from this analysis that was very scientific. Listen. Those pictures and these themes, they may have made us laugh, but they tell us a lot about your heart, Dad. 1, peace signs. You are, in your being, a peaceful soul. I know this of you. You like to bring peaceful things together. And I think the silly sign is because that's who you are at your heart. Pointing. You like to bring everyone into the things that you love. And yes, into the things that you love. And you do that extravagantly, enthusiastically, and it's almost as though joy isn't joy unless you're able to share it with other people. And P.S. Xander has that quality, and I love seeing that in him. Number 3, music. That's self-explanatory. You just love music, man. Number 4, Tory dog. You, a lover of animals, peaceful, lover of Tory dog, heart of gold. Number 5, silly. Totally silly. 100% silly. Don't even try, but you're silly all the time in a very performative, fun way to be around. And number 6, all of these pictures, you're having your arm around people, you're holding babies, you're hugging, you're smiling. Love. And yeah, you taught me well, so I know that the greatest of these is love. Happy Father's Day, Dad, in all of your thematic glory and all of the identities you take on Facebook. These 6 are some of my favorite, and I am so grateful to be your daughter. Anything else?
We love you.
Love you.